2,500 North Carolina Department of Transportation employees are working overtime following this weekend's snowstorm. Queen City News reporter David Schumann spent the day looking at the progress being made on the massive job of clearing the roads.
Steve Balknight's got this whole digging out from nearly a foot of snow thing down pat.
We need it. We hadn't had a good snow in a long time. It'll put a lot of water in the ground.
He says he loves how much it snowed because it's beautiful. But the historic winter storm held plenty of hazard, too. Trucks ended up in ditches. Several vehicles appeared to be stranded on the side of I-85 Sunday. And while highways and major roads were generally drivable, many smaller neighborhood streets remained dicey Sunday evening.
Just ice. There's a lot of ice. I mean, some of the roads are okay, but if there's shade or there's back roads are just, they're done. Yeah, they need a lot of work.
For those of us who don't have an ATV for pulling the kids along. The concern is any snow that did melt will be ice by Monday morning.
Our fear is that with temperatures staying below freezing today and much of tomorrow, many roads will be bad in many places across the state for days to come. We have a lot of miles of road in North Carolina, so it's going to take some time.
The city of Charlotte echoed that message. A spokesperson declined an interview request Sunday, but said in a statement, the city's street maintenance crews are working around the clock to clear roads along top priority routes, including major thoroughfares and corridors serving hospitals and other vital services.
Just stay in the groove when you go through these neighborhoods, and you should be all right. Just make sure that, you kind of give yourself some distance to stop and start.
Steve's the man. Listen to Steve. In Charlotte, David Schumann, Queen City News.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.